Hello there, welcome back. So today I have this 2002 Ford Focus. So I'm doing the ignition coil. So first I'm going to show you the tool I use. So I use this 8 socket with the extension on this impact driver or impact wrench. So these are the bolts I removed, 4 of them. This is the old ignition coil. This is the new one right here. And this is the box it comes in. Part number C1341. It's from AutoZone. And go right in this hole. And you go like this, guys. So mount it right at that bracket right here. So to remove it, you have to press this clip in like this, guys. So when you press it in, it unlock. So all you have to do is just push it back on after install the bolts. Alright, so that's it right there. So I just need to catch in back those bolts in there. Once all set, get back the wires. Best to do it like this, guys, so you can easily put back the wires at the correct place. There you go. So if I find this video useful, guys, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.